You don't have to be a rider to enjoy this place. With world-class competition, shopping, dining, and events, this is a true gem right in our backyard. A great way to start your trip at WEC is right here at the general store. And today, y'all insiders, I've got an exclusive tour set up with my friend Mason Jordan, and we're gonna get to it and see what they have in store.
Good morning, Carl. We're so glad you're here at WEC. You know, we're gonna explore. We've got a 2,000-acre property.
Wow.
So one of the best ways that we can get around the property here is we're gonna start at the general store. We're gonna rent a golf cart.
Oh man, that sounds like fun, because my kids love the golf cart.
Oh, my kids love the golf cart too.
All
It's
right.
the first thing we gotta do when we get here. And whether you're just coming in off I-75 or you're staying for the weekend with a horse show, this is the place to start.
That's awesome. Let's get to it.
Let's go.
All right.
Let's go explore.
Woo. The golf cart is the insider's way to do WEC. It makes exploring simple and fun. Wow, I'm just blown away by the size of this place. It's absolutely incredible. And no doubt you need a golf cart.
You gotta have the golf cart to get around.
With this much ground to cover, the golf cart is the key to seeing it all. To make navigation easier, here's an insider's tip. Download WEC's mobile app. You can see what events are happening, there's a map to find your way around, and you can even order food at the on-site restaurant. One view you can't miss is the Equestrian Hotel, which serves as the centerpiece at the World Equestrian Center. Wow, from the arenas, you can tell the Equestrian is the crown jewel of the WEC.
The hotel is really the heart of the facility, and this is luxury at its finest.
That's awesome, and you got some really great food. What's available in the Equestrian?
So we have a lot of food options as well as the spa services, and it's all open to the public.
That's fantastic. Let's go check it out.
Let's go look.
Inside, you'll find everything from fine dining at Stirrups to a lively pub at the Yellow Pony to Emma's Patisserie for coffee and sweets.
We make these in-house every morning. Every morning with a French pastry chef.
And you can grab one of those pastries made by a famous chef on Food Network. Chef Johan's treats are available at Emma's, which is right next door to the toy shop. How do I take the giraffe home?
Unfortunately, Giraffe's not for sale. This is his home, but we do have a plethora of other toys for you guys to take in.
It's amazing. Between the Tonka and the Jellycats, I just can't believe you guys have an actual toy store right here at WEC.
Yeah, most people don't realize that we have this here. It's a great place to come and explore and bring the kids.
You know, Mason, what I love about this place is it's so much more than horse shows, isn't it?
It really is. Between all the dining options, people are often surprised by how much there is that we offer.
The Equestrian Hotel features a full-service spa, and booking a treatment does not require you to be a hotel guest. Wow, look at the retail you have available here. One of the things that consistently surprises most visitors is the variety and volume of shopping and dining establishments throughout the property. WEC has 7 different places to grab a bite, and more on the way. And across the property, we have the Riding Academy Hotel. Here's an insider's tip. It's pet friendly for anyone bringing their 4-legged friends along. And the World Equestrian Center is continually expanding, transforming the 2,000-acre property into what feels like its own vibrant city within Ocala, Marion County. This golf cart tour was amazing. Thank you, Mason.
It really was, yep. I hope you really enjoyed that, but I've got one more thing for you.
Oh, really?
Tonight, I need you to meet me back here because we're gonna go to the Grand Prix.
Oh man, I can't wait.
Me too.
Woo! Daytime is incredible here, but if you really want to see WEC at its best, come back at night. The real magic happens after the sun goes down.
Commissioner, welcome back. I see you brought your family.
Man, it's awesome. We love sharing the WEC just like this with friends and family. It doesn't get any better than this. At 119,000 square feet, the Grand Arena is a huge stage for competition, accommodating large events and drawing spectators from across the world. All right, guys, we got the pizza. Together with friends and family, the energy and spectacle of an evening at the Grand Arena, it's an unforgettable experience. Oh, look, Ellie, the horses are jumping. All right, woo! As the evening progressed, we shared pizza, laughter, and family time. The Grand Prix is a perfect way to create memories with your family, and it's open to the public free of charge. Cheers! This place is a true gem, right in our backyard. Bring your friends, bring your family, because you're always a VIP at the World Equestrian Center. So whether you're a visitor or a local, Marion County has so many great experiences and history to share. Don't forget, visit ocalamarion.com and plan your trip. And download the Ocala Marion Travel Guide app to discover even more exciting experiences. Share, like, follow, and subscribe so you can explore Marion County like a local. So come on and vacation where we live.